Accidents happen, and that's okay. When a tool breaks, there's no reason to lose all the hours of machining you just did. Our file resume and cut recovery features allow you to start directly in the middle of your file. To use file resume, first select which line of code you want to start from. The safest line to choose are the lead-ins to a cut. Most people don't want to start right on the material. We will start at the lead-in for this bottom area of the logo. You can see that when you select a line, the previous lines turn white in the toolpath, so you can see which lines have already been machined. After selecting the line, open the File Resume page through the screen. The control will calculate what position the machine should go to, as well as the tool and the spindle selections. Since we already have the correct tool, we will choose which axis to move into position. Z is safely above the material, so we will start with X and Y. With X and Y in position, we will lower Z to its position for this line. Now that all axes are in position, we will turn on the spindle. Now that the machine is in position for starting, at this point in the G-code, we can press Cycle Start. And there you have it, File Resume with MachMotion.